Ever tried to type an Interrobang, that little question mark and exclamation point combined, and just hit a wall? It's not on any keyboard I've ever seen. You need it for a social post, a message, maybe a creative project, and you're just stuck. So here's the good news. In about 2 minutes, you're going to copy and paste that symbol for free. No downloads, no tricks, just a simple tool from Namecheap. Here's the plan. We'll head to the Namecheap website, find their font generator, and then it's just a few clicks to get that Interrobang right into your clipboard. All right, let's get to it. First thing, open up your browser and go to Namecheap's homepage. You can just type in namecheap.com. This is actually the same place where you'd go to register a domain name, but today we're using a really handy feature they've built into the site. So, you're on the homepage. Now, look around for a link that says View More. It's usually in the main navigation area, up near the top. Go ahead and click that. And here's the thing. This is a great example of a company building useful little tools right into their site. Namecheap didn't just stop at domain names. They created a whole font generator to help people like you add a bit of personality to your text. Once you click View More, a drop-down menu appears. You're going to look for an option that says Create fancy fonts text for free and use it in social media posts, bios, messages. That's the one. Click on that. Now, this takes you to the font generator page. It's a clean, simple interface. And right now, we're looking for the copy and paste section. Click on that. This is where all the unique symbols live. From the list that appears, you want to find and click on Interrobang. The page will then give you a few different options specifically for this symbol. Now, click on Quickly Copy and Paste an Interrobang anywhere online. This is just a handy button that sets everything up for you. Next, you'll see the actual Interrobang symbol itself. It looks like this. Just click on it. That's it. It copies to your clipboard automatically, so now you can go paste it wherever you need it. A tweet, a bio, a message. It's yours to use. And here's a fun little bonus. If you scroll down a bit, you'll also see an option for Inverted Interrobang. That's the upside-down version. Go ahead and click that if you want that one too. It works the same way. Just click to copy. Finally, if you want to double-check or just learn a bit more, you can click on the definition text. It'll tell you that an Interrobang is a combination of a question mark and an exclamation mark. Pretty neat, right? So that's it. Now you know exactly how to get that Interrobang symbol for free using Namecheap's font generator. Next time you need a unique punctuation mark, you know exactly where to go. Thanks for watching and happy symbol hunting.